Hello friends, this video is an introduction to renewable and non-renewable energy resources. What is energy? The word energy is derived from Greek energia, meaning capacity for doing work. Where does it come from? Energy exists in the earth or comes from the outer space. The energy existing in the earth is known as capital energy, and that comes from outer space is called celestial or income energy. The capital energy sources are mainly fossil fuels, nuclear fuels and heat traps. The celestial energy include electromagnetic, gravitational and particle energy from stars, planets and moon, as well as the potential energy of meteorites entering the Earth's atmosphere. The useful celestial energy sources are the electromagnetic energy of the Earth's sun called direct solar energy, and the gravitational energy of the Earth's moon producing tidal energy. The other energy sources are wind, hydel, geothermal, biofuel, etc. derived from direct solar energy. Types of energy resources. There are two types broadly identified as renewable or non-conventional energy resources. Second, non-renewable or conventional energy resources. Renewable energy resources. It is defined as the energy resources which are produced continuously in nature and are essentially inexhaustible, at least in the time frame of human societies. These energy resources replenish themselves naturally in a relatively short time and therefore will always be available. Examples are solar energy, wind energy, hydel energy, ocean thermal energy, geothermal energy, peat, fuel cells and solid wastes. Non-renewable energy resources. These are defined as the energy resources which have been accumulated over the ages and not quickly replenishable when they are exhausted. Examples are fossil fuels, nuclear fuels and heat traps. Advantages of renewable energy resources over non-renewable energy resources are: number 1, these energy resources are non-exhaustible. Number 2, these resources can be matched in scale to the need and they can also deliver the energy of the quality that is required for a specific task. Number 3, some of these resources can be built on or close to the site where the energy is required, which will minimize the transmission costs. Example, a windmill for driving a hydraulic pump may be built very close to the water resource. Number 4, the local or regional self-sufficiency in the energy requirement can be achieved either fully or partially by harnessing the locally available renewable energy which otherwise would be left unutilized. Number 5, the diversity of these resources and their technologies offer more flexibility while designing the conversion systems compared to the conventional energy systems. Number 6, except the biomass energy source, all other energy resources offer pollution-free environment and also help in maintaining the ecological balance. Disadvantages of renewable energy resources from non-renewable energy resources are: number 1, the intermittent nature of the availability of the energy from the renewable energy resources such as solar, wind, tidal, etc. is a major setback in the continuous supply of energy. Number 2, although the supply of energy is limitless, there is a definite limit to the rate at which the solar energy is received at the earth, as it is dependent on the local atmospheric conditions, time of the day, part of the year and also on the latitude of the place. Number 3, some of the renewable energy resources such as wind, tidal, etc., although available in large quantities, they are concentrated only in certain regions. Number 4, the state of the art in harnessing the renewable energy resources is not yet fully developed to meet the present day energy requirements. Number 5, Some of the conversion systems such as solar cells, automatic tracking systems for solar concentrators, etc. require advanced technologies, hence costlier. Number 6, the application of renewable energy resources to transport sector has been found to be not viable as on today. Now, let us compare renewable energy resources with non-renewable energy resources. Renewable energy resources are exhaustible, abundantly and freely available in the nature. They are replenished naturally over a useful period of time at the same rate at which they are consumed. Energy transmission costs are less. Initial costs of extracting energy are high. Examples are tides, oceans, geothermal energy, biomass energy. Non-renewable energy resources are inexhaustible, not abundantly available, cannot be replenished over desired period of time. Energy transmission costs are high. Initial cost of extracting energy is comparatively less. Examples are fossil fuels and nuclear fuels. With this, I hope you have got a fair idea about renewable and non-renewable energy resources. Thank you.